Hey, Flo. Hey, baby. Petey. Hey, Jazz. I see you back there. What do you want, Flo? You want some of them pecan leaves, don't you? Jazz. Okay, this is Jazz on the left. Flo. One we've been calling Bunny. That's not her official name. And then behind her is Petey. And then the other one with dark head, her name is Drama Mama. She don't really cause a lot of drama, but she did when she was little, so it just kind of stuck. She's also the biggest one out there, so she can reach the leaves. Petey, is there a bug bothering you? But Petey and Jazz, those two right there I'm focusing on, and then Flo, those are our three youngest ones. They're dairy goats. These two are meat goats that we're just keeping. Alright, girls, because we just like them. But Jazz and Petey, the brown one with horns, and the black one are Nubians. And Flo's one without ears is an Alpine La Mancha. And she has a ton of personality, I tell you. But they're kind of relaxed today. It feels good outside. Petey, what are you doing? Petey's like a little dog. Drama Mama will also eat pecans in the fall when they fall out of the tree. And she sounds like she's eating rocks. She's about to get some more leaves. Go ahead and get them, girl. You can see their pasture is looking kind of woolly. We planted some grass out there. And since there's only 5 of them in this big space, they have a lot of grass to eat. And then over here, we got Trolley and Piper, Great Pyrenees. Trolley's the one on the left, Piper's the one on the right. And Trolley's still giving him a big old hole. Trolley! Hey, boy! Hey, Piper! They watch over everything for us. Hey, Flo. Flo's also a talker. She'll talk to you a lot. Are you eating a pecan? Yep, she's eating a pecan.